Hi, I'm Lauren Stepp and I'm an educator with IdHAIR North America. Today I would like to share some product knowledge with you. Today I'm going to use the beach gel out of the black line from IdHAIR. This gel is designed to kind of capture that just out of the ocean feel. It gives a lot of texture to the hair. If you want to apply it to dry hair, it'll finish and look fairly wet. But if you would like to scrunch it into the hair and blow dry, it'll give that nice salty finish. To use the beach gel, I'm going to put a little bit in my hand and work it into the hair and kind of scrunching as I go. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can find us at idhairnorthamerica.com. You can follow us on Instagram, and you could follow me specifically at Lauren Marie Hair and Makeup Company. Thanks for watching.